Even in today's digital world, paper is an indispensable product, unique in every fiber that passes through a highly complex process during its production. When planning a paper machine with Voith, we accompany you as experts in paper machine engineering, as well as aftermarket maintenance, consumables, and optimization. Today, the most important part of this journey to a smart paper factory is digitization. With its innovative Papermaking 4.0 products, Voith offers you perfectly coordinated solutions for increasing availability and efficiency. Beginning in the planning phase, you benefit from co-engineering and design of your new paper machine along with us. Immerse yourself in virtual reality and experience your machine even before construction starts. You can also train your employees with this technology. They will be perfectly prepared for operation and maintenance of the system even before startup, thus guaranteeing the highest availability. Get acquainted with our industrial Internet of Things platform oncumulus, which ensures a smooth flow of information between your machine and the cloud. The oncumulus.suite application provides understandable visualization of the process data. You can call on this anytime, from anywhere, and from any device. Numerous advanced process control applications, such as the onefficiency family, ensures that you are constantly producing at the quality you strive for while maximizing uptime. Just one example is onefficiency.strength, which combines a variety of parameters to determine paper strengths. With the assistance of a data-driven model, the strength values can even be predicted and controlled. The oncare health condition monitoring system enables you to maximize efficiency along with availability. The data from individual components can likewise be constantly monitored with oncumulus. Do you need assistance in reporting faults? With Voith, you will never be alone. With remote video service, our experts guide your technicians to fix problems on the spot. We guarantee around-the-clock service and optimal fault handling. Thanks to tracking tools, you will have a complete overview of your system from the first second. Like the Smart Basket, a tool for all information on your screen baskets. PM Portal goes a step further. This lifecycle management and tracking system monitors all your consumables. oncare.asset is the ultimate solution managing all your asset-related maintenance tasks and KPIs. These tools will help you to reduce downtime and improve your asset availability. Is it time to replace something? For you as a Voith customer, that's no problem either. Being your reliable partner in e-business, our Voith Paper Webshop allows you to identify your product and order at any time. In the future, you can expect even more. Systems such as the Sheet Break Predictor will continuously access process parameters and automatically visualize critical process settings so you can avoid painful sheet breaks and shutdowns. Our digital know-how for your smart and successful paper production. Start your digital transformation now with Voith.